Okay, this is the Pope Boys 3 for 3 for 3 challenge. 3 shots in a row at 300 yards on a 7-inch plate, working towards a 3-inch plate. Today we're out at a 7x7 circle, 300 yards with a 22.
Just low. I don't see where that one went.
No idea. It's that wind.
Yeah. Oh, just right.
Yeah, load a full mag so you can have some extras in case.
Yeah.
If only it was like a 10-round mag or something. If the target was only a little bit bigger, like 9x9, these misses would be hits.
Yeah.
It's just, they're like...
I've already got my 3, so I'm happy with that. I'm just trying to get some more.
Yeah.
And then we'll move to the 3-inch target. The 3-inch is going to be really tough in this wind.
Yeah, I don't think we should do it today.
No?
No.
Yeah.
It's just stupid.
Yeah, but I do stupid stuff all the time.
Is that what it is?
Hit.
Hit. All right, that's one.
Just above it.
Oh,
It's just above it.
man.
Oh, that's so frustrating.
Oh.
Yep, again.
I
Just
bet.
above it.
1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Hit.
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 I held low on that one.
Yeah.
So far I've been holding center. This one I held low right at the bottom edge.
Oh, that's a hit. That's 2. Hit.
Solid, dude.
That's 3.
That's 3. That's solid.
3. Watch out, someone in there.
Yeah.
3 at 100 yards. That's 300 yards. Disgusting.
Woo!
Anything you want to say?
Yeah. That's riflery, bros. That's riflery. Let's try. I do want to try the 3-inch target.
Oh no.
I know my hold, and the wind. It's a little bit gusty for wind, but I think we can make it work out.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can make it work out. So the 3-inch is. Yeah, I think we can make that work out. Let's do it.
All right.
Yeah,
Up for the challenge?
I'm up for the challenge.
All right. Well, we'll check back in later with that 3-inch target, man.
All right, cold range.